In this video, I'll show you how to customize your LinkedIn profile URL to make it clean and professional. Let's get started. When you first create a LinkedIn account, your profile URL often includes extra numbers and letters after your name. We're going to remove those for a neater link. First, log into your LinkedIn account and click on the Me icon at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. Next, on your profile page, look to the top right corner and click Edit Public Profile and URL. On the new page, find the section titled Edit Your Custom URL in the top right corner and click the pencil icon. Here, you can remove any extra numbers or letters after your name by backspacing. Keep your URL simple and professional, ideally using just your name. For example, it should look like linkedin.com/sample123. Once you're satisfied, click Save. And that's it. Your profile now has a clean and professional URL that you can use in email signatures, business cards, or when sharing your profile. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.